Hey yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Something came in the package today. Alan, hold it up. Yeah. We're gonna do an unboxing of our EDC passes, baby.
Yeah, I got Jollibee.
You got a Jollibee? Hey, show them the spaghetti, man.
I got Jollibee, what? $5.
$5, the spaghetti.
2 bands.
Yes, sir.
I upgraded my side to spaghetti, you know. Look how small this shit is.
Spaghetti cup.
Yeah, fuck all the Filipinos. Hello, Tita Apples.
Yeah, let's see it, Shan. Let's see it, Shan. Yes, sir.
Oh, shit, yo.
Alan, let's see it, baby.
Yo, can we touch tips?
Oh, yeah. We are eating first before we open this box. What you got, Alan?
Got some gravy, some rice.
You're the
some
uncle,
chicken.
bro.
Ooh, chicken. All
You didn't
spicy?
ask me? Yeah, all
How
spicy.
did it get spicy? I didn't get spicy.
What you got, Johnny boy?
You know, Filipinos have always been scammers, bro. No cap.
Oh, yeah.
Look how, bro, how my spaghetti cup the size of my gravy, bro? Fuck out of
What
here.
do you got, Johnny boy? This huge order?
Honestly, somewhere over there, but Kirk got me rice, so I don't have to eat it, but he got me rice, you know, so I'm like, I kind of want to eat it now. I haven't had rice in like 2 weeks, so
Can you eat my instead? This is what I got for me. I ate earlier in the house, so I just got 2 peach mango pies right there. Family dinner. Yeah, everyone's eating
No, not
good.
that one. That shit had no meat on that.
Everyone's
straight
eating
crisp.
good. Yes, sir.
I'm trying to eat ass, man.
Oh. Alright guys, we are gonna open our EDC passes. It's like a book, yo. The greatest story ever told right here. To be told.
I'm saying, bro.
Wow, it's pink. Dude, it opens like a book. Yeah. Hopefully it focus. I can't really see. Oh!
What?
There's the front. There's the back.
Holy fuck.
Looks like when you open it,
This is going on the suitcase.
this is like a bunch of stuff in it. That's insane. And I think there's like a letter here.
2 bands right here.
2 bands right here.
Nah, just this, man. Just
Just
this.
2 bands, bro.
This is where you put it on your wrist. GA Plus, baby. We're going to premium toilets.
I'm aware I'm
This guy's a premium toilet. Like a keychain thingy. Car freshener right here.
Damn, she got a fat ass, bro.
Dang.
Jesus Christ, brother.
Oh, she got a fat ass.
Whoa, blur. 24/7, 365. All day, all night. Oh my god. Are you gonna put this in your check bag?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Or carry on.
Carry on. Got all the
Hey,
stickies
shit,
over
shit,
here.
this may be
Just quite a
beyond.
bunch.
Bro. I think this is all their events.
Insomniac?
Yeah, Insomniac events.
Wow. See you on EDC. Woo. Cut to EDC right now. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. No, you're so sick. Let's go. You see the sticky salad?
Oh, that shit's fucking bent. Okay. There's a shit ton, man.
Are those all the Insomniac events?
I think so. There's one. I know you like this one. EDC.
Yo! What? It's 3D? Look how this 3D thing opens. That is fire. We're going to EDC, Shan.
The nasal spray has to be
This
sealed.
is the wristband right
Sealed
here.
intranasal
GA Plus. Experience Plus. Vegas 2025, baby. EDC, baby. Alexa, EDC, Alexa. Yeah, even Jewish time.